So hello, I'm Prince Jacob C. Garcia and I will be answering these following questions. So first, what would you like to change if anything and why? I would like to change my current exercise routine to include more variety and balance. This change is important because I realize that current regimen is overly focused on high intense workout which can lead to burnout and potential energy. Incorporating different types of exercise can enhance my overall fitness and make the process more enjoyable. Second question is, what is going on in my life would facilitate behavior change and habit? So facilitating factors include having more free time due to a recent change in my work schedule, which allows me to dedicate time to exercise. However, inhibiting factors include occasional stress from personal commitments that can make difficult to prioritize my fitness goals. The third question is where I am now in my physical activity level. Currently, I engage in physical activity about 3 to 4 times a week, primarily focusing on cardio and strength training. However, I often feel fatigue and struggle to maintain consistency. So the fourth question is, have I tried regular exercise before and I failed to stick with it? Yes, I have attempted to establish a regular exercise routine in the past, but I found it's challenging to maintain due to a lack of motivation and occasional injuries that disrupted my progress. So the fifth question is, currently what do I estimate my potential to stick with an exercise program to be? I estimate my potential to stick with an exercise program to be moderate, while I am motivated to improve my health, and I recognize that I need to develop better strategies to maintain consistency and manage setbacks. So the sixth question is, what unmet personal needs I'm thinking of attempting to meet? So I'm looking to meet my need for improved physical health and mental health well-being. I believe that regular exercise can help elevate stress and boost my self-esteem, which are currently unmet needs. So the final question is, what is it about my body and mind that I'm happy with that could be positive affected by exercising regularly? I am unhappy with my energy levels and body image. I often feel sluggish and lack confidence in my appearance. Regular exercise could enhance my physical fitness, improve mood, and foster a more positive self-image.